Hey guys, so I want to show you this nail drill that I got from Amazon. Now this drill comes with a very slim component, also comes with some drill bits for your natural nails. These drill bits are for your extensions that you'll be putting on your nails. It also comes with these different levels of sanding bits. So once you lift that up, you get extra sanding bits, which is actually so nice. Then you get some of those toe separators, which I actually really need. It comes with this cute little brush. It was shedding at first, but you know, I'm sure it was very cheap. This is the cord. It is a USB cord. It does not come with the base, so you'll have to supply that yourself. And here are some glass nail files. I've actually never used these on myself. I have used them on my daughter when she was a baby, and they worked really well. Now this is just a cute little nail kit. Comes with cuticle cutters, tweezers, nail clippers, little scrapers. Thought it was really cute. And here is the nail drill manual. So I'm just going to be showing you guys, that obviously it has a forward and reverse switch. You can adjust the speed of the drill to your liking. Obviously, if you're working on your natural nails, you want to keep the speed really low. So right here, I'm just taking a medium grit sanding band, and I am just going to put that on there. I am kind of just testing out the feel of it, seeing how it works, and it was very smooth. It wasn't shaky or anything. Next, I'm just wiping off any oils with alcohol that would be on my nails. And this was a complete fail, but I wanted to put it into the video. I was trying to get my jewels off with cuticle clippers like I usually do, but you guys, those clippers were just not grabbing onto them. I think it's because I really got those jewels on my nails. You guys, I think the method I've been using lately to adhere jewels has been working really well for me. So right here, you'll see that I am doing a fill today. I am not doing a fresh set of nails just because I just put these on a few days ago. And the design was actually polygel. I used the Burano Polygel, which is what I'm using today. Burano makes my favorite polygel. It's the first polygel I've ever used. So as you guys will see, I did use a carbide bit. And I just wanted to see how the drill worked using bits that did not come with it, and it worked very well. But I found the best option for me was to use a coarse grit sanding band, and that worked really well. So right here, I'm taking the Magic Purple. This is a color changing polygel from Burano, and this is so pretty. This is literally, I'm obsessed with it. When it's hot, it turns to like a clearish purple color, and when it's cold, it's this beautiful purple. It's so pretty. This is also a glitter that I got in a Burano nail kit as well, the same kit that came with the polygel. I'm just adding in this hollow glitter and then this mixed glitter that came with that Walmart kit that I showed you guys in my rainbow polygel tutorial. And yeah, I'm kind of just mixing it. You'll see that it becomes a really thick consistency, which is okay. It was very easy to work with. My Burano kit did not come with the clear, so I'm just taking a clear polygel just to kind of mix everything in. So once everything's mixed, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a thin layer of base coat gel. Now, this Burano base coat gel is my favorite. I'm almost out. I'm so sad about it, but I have other base coats, so I'll probably just use those for a little bit. But I do really like this one. It's not overly sticky, and yeah, it just does a good job. So once that's cured, I cured that for 30 seconds. I'm taking this hot pink polygel, and to be honest, I did not like the design I did on my thumb. I actually changed it like today. I filmed this video yesterday and I actually changed it today because it just wasn't my personal style, but I know a lot of people out there like it, so yeah, I don't know. Maybe you'll like it, who knows? There's nothing wrong with it. It's not ugly. It's just, I don't know. I just wasn't in love with it. So once I cured that, I go ahead and start working on my other nail. For this nail, I am doing a ombre / baby boomer nail. If you've watched any of my videos, you obviously know that this is one of my favorite styles of nails. I just cannot stop doing it, clearly. And honestly, mixing the glitter with this polygel made it super easy to work with. Like, it was so easy. Like, it looks really thick, but I promise you, it smoothed down so nice. The only thing I would recommend is curing it for a little bit longer. Right here, I'm taking my Burano Nude Polygel, which is my favorite, like, cover nude ever. Oh, I love this gel. It's so beautiful. And I'm literally just blending that down. I did apply a little bit too much for what I was doing, but it all turned out well in the end. Alright, so once that's smooth, I'm just going to go ahead and cure that. And I'm adding just another layer just so that it's nice and opaque at the cuticle. I did take my glitter a little bit lower than I intended to, so adding that second layer just gave me a little bit more coverage. So once I cure that for 30 seconds, I'm going to go ahead and work on this new design I've been trying out. I am still trying to perfect it, so honestly, if you want to see someone good at doing it, I would definitely recommend, you know, I don't know, I would recommend just looking it up specifically, like a deep V French, I think that's what they call it. I'm not quite sure. I'm pretty sure that's what they call it though. But yeah, I love the style of these kind of nails. I'm just still a beginner, and it's hard trying to make sure that each side is even and that it's like perfect. But yeah, I just applied another layer of that Burano Nude Polygel right on top just to make sure that the nail is thick. You want this part to be pretty thick just because you're not going to be clear capping your nails, so once you add the side colors, you guys will see that it makes more sense. So for this nail, I'm doing that 2-bead method. I'm just going to start off by doing almost like a fade. I'm going to cover half the nail with the glitter polygel. And you guys, I don't show it in the video, but I ended up doing my thumb the exact same way as my pinky, and I just love the set. So before I cure the nail, I'm just going to go ahead and add these little sparkles into my nails. I think these were so cute, and honestly they added just such a nice subtle pop. I love using these little flakies, these little nail sequins, but they are very thick and you will see that one of them does stick out, but once you start filing, honestly, as long as you're not super rough, it won't be a problem. So here's another scene of me adding too much polygel to something. I feel like polygel is so like, it's such a good system, but like for me, I just can never gauge how much to actually add. I either add too much or too little. So yeah, I'm just taking that same pink color and I'm doing a baby boomer for this nail as well. I just wanted to use this color to do that with. You guys, when I sit down to do my nail videos, I really just freestyle it. Like, I had no idea what I was going to be doing with this set. I should probably start planning out more nails. because I have a lot of good ideas, but once I sit down, I'm just like, is that gonna work? Are people gonna want to see that? Like, how long is it gonna take me? That's the most important one, because having a 2-year-old, it's like she gets up so early now that I just, you know, I can't stay up super late like I used to. So yeah, here's another example of me adding on too much polygel. It always comes together, so don't worry. If you're a little heavy-handed, you know, it's okay. Polygel is so easy to file that it's okay if you get a little heavy-handed. Okay, so once I blend that out, I'm just gonna go ahead and start working on the thumb. Now you guys see how easy it is to smooth out that polygel. Like, I don't know, like adding glitter, I would have thought it would have changed the consistency like in a bad way, but it just made it work really well. But Burano makes like the best polygel in my opinion, at least that I've tried, and I never have an issue with blending out the polygel. So as you guys will see, I'm trying to match the thickness of the pink, and I'm kind of overlapping just a little bit so my nail is going to be easy to file. And as you can see, I'm doing the same thing with this V-cut nail. I just overlapped it because once you file your nails, it will reveal a beautiful crisp line. So it's okay to get messy. This just helps ensure that there is no gaps in between the color and the V-tip. So right here, I'm just taking that clear polygel and encapsulating my nails. I don't know what happened, but I definitely forgot to encapsulate the pink baby mover nail. I don't really know why I didn't, but honestly, it wasn't a big deal. When I filed, I was just very careful and made sure that I did not file off too much of the blend. Okay, so I'm showing you guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and use that to smooth around my nails. And I did have a couple scratches in this set, and that is my own fault because I was so tired. Oh my god, I was so tired. So I used my like 100/80 grit file on one of my nails and it was scratchy. We weren't looking too good. So now I'm just taking this ball drill bit and I'm just going around my cuticles, making sure that there's no extra gel because that sometimes happens. And yeah, once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and add a layer of top coat because I will be doing some gems at the bottom. You guys, I always try to do gem designs, but I don't know how to do it. I have to watch more videos because I just don't ever think it looks good on me. So I'm just keeping it really simple this time and adding just one cuticle gem. I think that did not like overpower the look and I think it looked so nice. And these gems I actually got from the Burano kit, so if you're in need for a really good polygel kit, I will try to link theirs below if it's still available on Amazon because this had everything that you would need. And no, this video was not sponsored. I wish, but it's not sponsored, I promise. This is just one of my favorite kits. So once I cure that, I go ahead and use my homemade cuticle oil If you guys want to see a recipe on how I make mine, just let me know below because it's super easy. Alright, and once our oil's on, our nails are done. I think they turned out so freaking cute, minus the thumb that I fixed. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.